Whether you are a car enthusiast who likes to get your hands dirty or you are a mechanic by trade, having the latest invention kitted to your garage would be neat and tidy, but make sure you check out our list of goodies before making your next impulse purchase. Number 8. Human Hoist. The Human Hoist is designed to make working in workshops safer and easier. It can be adjusted to any angle in 10-degree increments, allowing users to work comfortably in tight or difficult-to-reach areas. With its sophisticated features and wide range of applications, the Human Hoist is much more advanced and efficient solution than traditional creepers. It features 3 caster wheels for stability and mobility, as well as a joystick on each arm that allows users to control and change position. With its ergonomic design, users can lower their bodies from a sitting position and raise them back up just by controlling the joystick, greatly reducing the strain on their bodies. To make sure it can accommodate a wide range of users, the Human Hoist is fully automated and adjustable. Its advanced automation technology allows for easy control with minimal practice, and its essential joints can be adjusted to suit any size and provide maximum comfort. The hydraulic and durable tension spring construction ensures flexibility without the risk of straining your body, allowing users to move freely and adjust the device from the best positioning, making it an ideal choice for those looking for reliable and versatile support. As such, mechanics who spend hours in the workshop can benefit greatly from this amazing product, having them leave work feeling fresh as a daisy. Number 7. MacPad. The MacPad is an amazing invention who keep losing their tools, whether it's inside the engine bay, down the tight gap, or just dropping it on the floor. You know exactly what I mean. Well, worry no more, cause this 300 by 200mm flexible magnetic mat has just solved this problem. It can be attached to any metallic surface such as the car hood, wall, or the 2-post ramp to securely hold and grip your tools while you work. It is strong, soft, anti-scratch, and its flexibility feature enables it to cling to almost any curved or uneven surfaces in your workshop, making it the perfect choice for keeping your tools in a handy place just where you want them. After work is done, you can easily remove the MacPad with just 2 fingers. And if you are wondering just how strong the MacPad is, amazingly, it's tested to hold a 50-pound weightlifting plate to the wall. Unbelievable. Number 6. MX PP3. Elevate your work game with this powerful pneumatic cushion lifter. Tackle any job with ease thanks to this heavy-duty lifter with a maximum load capacity of 3.5 tons, making it perfect for vans, off-roads, SUVs, 4x4s, and even smaller trucks. The comfortable high handle and wheels provide a smooth, efficient operation. Forget the frustration of hydraulic jacks. This pneumatic cushion lifter is all about reliability and ease. No oil changes or topping up is necessary. Just pure lifting power with a 3-mesh construction with internal reinforcement that allows for a lift height of up to 400mm, a working pressure of between 5 to 10 bar, and it weighs 19 kg. Now you can say goodbye to twisting cheap jacks with the powerful Max pneumatic cushion lifter. Number 5. Tyre Spyder. Experience seamless tire management with the Clearview Tyre Spyder. No matter if you are driving on smooth roads or tackling rough terrain, this innovative tool has got you covered. No more tedious task in playing around with correct pressure on each tire. You can easily and quickly inflate, deflate, borrow air, or equalize tire pressures without stressing around. The Tyre Spyder is designed to work independently or with an air compressor, giving you maximum flexibility. With its 4 controllable inlet valves and digital pressure gauge, adjusting tire pressure has never been easier. Want to stagger tire pressures for different driving conditions? The Tyre Spyder makes it a breeze. Standard kit comes with 2 5-meter hoses and 2 8-meter hoses. This piece of kit is perfect for all you off-roaders. Number 4. OEM Tools Pneumatic Extractor. Changing engine oil and fluid doesn't have to include shimmying beneath the vehicle and using a drain pan. Take the hassle out of the oil change with OEM Tools Pneumatic Fluid Extractor Reservoir. This 1.5-gallon vacuum extractor pumps use the Venturi effect to create a vacuum that can be used to extract fluids such as oil, transmission fluid, coolant, and more. This extractor features both a pneumatic and manual fluid extraction method, allowing you to choose according to your needs. The manual method uses a pump action handle to create a vacuum, while the pneumatic method uses air pressure to create a vacuum. Both methods are effective at extracting fluids and are easy to use. The kit includes a 5-foot main flexible hose that snaps into the coupler with a firm press and is removed by unscrewing the coupler, breaking the suction. It also includes 2 adapters that attach to the dipstick tube and allow the pump to extract from the fluid reservoir. The piece of kit is one of the best oil extractors on the market. It removes fluids directly from dipstick tubes and has a 6-liter single reservoir with a leak-proof bottom. It also has an overflow shut-off valve for mess-free extraction and a removable lid for easy recycling of extracted fluids. Number 3. Garage Smart. Transform your home with smarter, simpler, and safer storage solutions, introducing innovative technology that makes life easier. These storage systems are controlled via your smartphone, saving you time and hassle. The compact design of their system stands out. With different size versions to choose from, you can specifically store your bicycles and kayaks with ease. And for those who need versatility, the 4x4-foot cargo platform can hold up to 400 pounds. Take multitasking to the next level with Bluetooth compatibility, allowing you to manage up to 4 lifters at once. With just a smart app, you will never have to worry about hitting the ceiling. It will self-detect if the system is overloaded and prevent any mishaps. Say goodbye to cluttered and disorganized spaces and hello to more spaces created with our revolutionary storage solutions. Number 2. Rema Maschinen. Introducing the Rema Maschinen Lift, a compact and essential device for any workshop. The Swiss company Rema Maschinen has designed this lift to make lifting motorcycles, mopeds, or scooters quick, safe, and effortless. With a maximum lifting capacity of 790 pounds, the lift features a secure clamp for the front wheel and hooks for safety straps, and a removable ramp to help you roll your bike onto the platform. With added features like retractable stabilizers and fall protection, you can trust the Rema Maschinen Lift to keep your bike and your working environment safe. At just 220 pounds, it's easy to move around and perfect for any workshop, big or small. Upgrade your workspace with a Rema machine that will lift and level up your two-wheeler with ease. Number 1. Matco MCL 1614LR. Sometimes your ratchet just can't access the hard-to-reach places, right? But the Matco 16-volt MCL 1614LR solves this problem. The 1/4-inch extended length ratchet is designed to increase productivity for any mechanics and technicians. This ratchet offers a compact head design with a 6-inch long reach capability, making it perfect for accessing hard-to-reach areas. Its 1 1/4-inch head is ideal for tackling difficult jobs such as timing belts, firewall work, and fender well applications. With a fully enclosed variable speed throttle, you can easily control the speed by depressing the trigger in multiple configurations. The high-performance motor provides 330 RPM, allowing you to get the job done quickly. The MCL 1614LR comes in 3 different colors and comes with 2 years warranty, giving you that peace of mind. Subscribe!